Hey everyone, welcome back, and today I have got an STC valve radio. As to the model, I'm not 100% sure. They made a few different models. There was a B105, a C105, made from around about 1947 even up to 1952. So I'm just saying late 40s on this one. Just a broadcast only. What have we got? Yep, that's working fine. Tuning. This should be the volume. And on the back, one more knob for tone. And the case is in excellent condition. And let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so let's get this cover off. Let's see what we've got to deal with. Oh God, how long are these screws? One out. I've got the schematic for this one, so I don't really need to worry about that too much there, even though it's gone, it's a pity. Not sure if that power cord is original, could be. And we're nearly there. Oh, done. And that is all untouched. Nice. So, filter cap, of course, 40 volts, so grid bypass. And where's the other filter cap? There should be two. Anyway, could be a can. Alright. I'm going to get the knobs off first, and then we'll extract this out of the case. So I've got it out. Now I just noticed when I said it's untouched, how wrong could I be? Somebody's replaced one of the filter caps, so I'd say that would be 16 microfarad, and I would hope. Oh, here we go. 22 microfarad, and from the schematic this has two 16s in it, but of course, who knows. Anyway, let's just give it a power test. And where's our rectifier? Right there. What is it? 5x3? I don't know. But it shouldn't be too hard to work out. Try and get the... It's all under here there, of course. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, well, 4 wires, of course. Anyway, I'll find out what the valve is and then be able to determine the pinouts. Well, I found out, excuse me, this is a 6x5 rectifier, and the plates are pins 3 and 5, and where's my little light? Pin 3, so 1, 2, 3, there's a plate, and 5 right down there too, two others to the left. So, let's have a look here, and give it a bit of power. We've got voltage, so we've got B+. Nasty cough I've got. Hope it's not the plague. And what did I say? So the heater, pins 2 and 7. So it's 6.3 volts, I would say. I'm guessing unless it's 5 volts. And let's have a look. That's working. and that part's done. And I will, God, trying to test that speaker, and it's going to be nigh on impossible for me to get in there. So I'm going to change this. That's really tight. This thing's all over each other. So I'm going to change out this cap here, and I'll leave that one in there. I'll test it though for leakage. Might show that too. Haven't done that before. But yeah, I'll get that out and we'll change it, and then we'll give it a power up, or hopefully I've got enough room to get some clips in there and test the speaker. Alright. Okay, so I've replaced the 16 microfarad, again had to use 2/8. I'm still waiting on the 16s to come in. They're on back order apparently. The other thing is, I wanted to just, as I said earlier, I wanted to check that cap for leakage. So, something I don't often do, I pulled out the old condenser checker that I picked up a couple of years ago. And I don't use it much. I just thought it was a cool bit of test equipment to have. So, what I'll do first, let's just lift off the negative end. That's just going to earth. And you know what? Let's just snip it. I'll snip it there. Then I can hook them back together again. Alright, so how do we work this again? I forget. Oh god. Here we go. Oh yeah. And better turn the power on. I'll just put it up to 450 volts. And there's quite a few videos showing these units in operation, and they just check for DC leakage. So just turn the light off. You can see the magic eyes warming up. Yeah, that's alright. So positive there, negative to the negative end, and you probably can't see this. I'm just going to turn a switch and we'll watch the magic eye. And it doesn't want to open fully. So I mean, if I were to bring the voltage down, yep, that's alright. But at 450 volts, which is what that's rated for, the eye only doesn't open up fully. So determine that's going to go, and we'll change that. And that's my capacitor checker. Great little unit. Anyway, I'll change that cap and we'll power it up and see what happens. So the filter caps are in, and main one there and secondary one there, as I call them. I also changed this 0.01 waxy, because the thing rotates, the body rotates on the wire, so I thought, just in case. And for the sake of it, I thought I'll get that group pipe bypass cap changed as well. Alright, I think we're ready for a test. So, I haven't tested the speaker. I think I can get into it now. Where are we? And come here. And I see red, that's here, and blue is there. No, you can't see it, but yeah, I can. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh yeah, that works, good. Right, so let's give it some power. It's about 70, 80 volts. Current limiter's all quiet. Oh, actually, I might as well monitor the filter caps. And I've seen other guys do this on videos, and I figure, oh, why not, you know? So try and... You can just see it. You can just see it. Alright, so where are we? We'll do this. We'll do this one. And there to there. Right, now let's bring the power up. So 90 volts. $120 volts. At least we're getting some DC voltage coming through. Cool. So it's 160, 180 volts, 220, 235, 236. That should be enough. Yeah, it's alive.
It was the reason why a lot of directors fell in love with, at the time, male directors with leading women, because he said there was such a sensual charge. Of course, in the process of
tone control works,
and the creation.
I'm at the end of the band. I think that was the.
Because I still really makes Monica, and even in
cool.
films, I do think that.
Oh, nice. All right. So the sound quality is a bit ratty, but that's to be expected. Given, look at all those paper caps in there. So very nice. I'm pleased. And I'm now going to change all those caps slowly, and it'll take me the rest of the day. Just that I've got other things to do in the meantime, so I'll change a few, go away, do my other stuff, and come back. And I'll come back when I'm about halfway through, and we'll see if the sound is or the quality's gotten any better. All right, so it's a job for me to do. Well, it's coming along quite well. I've done probably half the caps there. What I've got left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the radio is running.
How those kind of quick fixes.
Somebody on the phone.
More easily now. There's a text here saying, decades ago with the egg dye.
It's still a bit, rough on the quality, but
Mum would do the cabbage.
I think it's improved.
It just made the entire house absolutely reek. It was sulphuric. It was terrible. But these things have unfortunately always been around.
Okay. All right. So just continue doing what I'm doing, and hopefully the all that sort of distortion, I guess, is coming from these caps here, just leaking DC all over the place. Well, we can only hope, can't we? Anyway, back to it. Okay, so all the caps have finally been done, as well as a few resistors that I just had to change first to get into the caps. And I am pleased to say that all that yucky distortion
and so you mentioned
has gone.
That you're eating low GI foods, and that's definitely the way to go. I would definitely recommend you check out.
I'll tell you what, my mind was racing. I'm thinking, I'm going to change all the caps, and the distortion's still there. Then I thought, well, it could be the mica, and I've had that once before, and it could be the valves, and I was thinking all sorts of things. But in this case, it just was the waxies, and it was actually the last two that I changed, and it just came good. So pleased with that.
Exactly, Michael. Because when we
nice reception too, very good. Turn that off. So I'm now going to go through and just measure the other resistors and change. In fact, yeah, probably there's not that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 10 meg or whatever. 6, 7. I don't know. Probably end up changing them. We'll see how we go, and I'll just measure them out first. So I'll be back when that's done. And it's finally done. an enjoyable job, actually. It took a while, but hey, we're there, and got a great little radio here. Now, what I'm going to do, I did leave a couple of resistors in place. They measured out absolutely spot on, so I thought leave it, and when it needs another repair sometime in the future, way in the future hopefully, they've got something to look at and say, oh, let's just replace those. But rap music. What else we got?
Reason for turning up in places in Victoria, etc.
Blah 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 blah. And I did determine which capacitor was causing all that distortion, and it was a 0.01, which was, where is it? There. And I had a look at my schematic, and I noticed that the audio signal, they term these coupling caps anyway, the audio signal was coming through, and of course that's supposed to eliminate all the DC. Obviously it wasn't, it was just bleeding DC right through, straight into the output valve, into the input grid. So yeah, that was our main culprit. So anyway, I'm going to get this back into its case, and then I'll show it to you and finish off this particular show. Back soon. Well, here it is, guys. Back in its case and running quite well. Giving the case a polish up, and I don't know if I can try and get the mottling. As you can see, this one's really good. It's got some I don't know if you can see it there, that sort of greenish type of colour that's throughout the radio. I thought they were paint splotches or something to begin with, but they're definitely part of the backlight. So there you go, the STC Jellymold running again, hopefully for many, many, many years. And I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did enjoy resurrecting this one. Well, I think it was going, to be honest, before I even changed the filter caps. But anyway, it was fun. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Catch you very soon. Bye.
They came along and laughed at the